How to redeem a gift card on Uber. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your gift card on Uber, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem our gift card on Uber, all we have to do is go ahead and simply launch the Uber application, and then we have to come to the account tab by tapping the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the account tab over here, you want to go to the tab where it says wallet, and then once you come to wallet, of course you'll be able to find the option called add payment method, or if you scroll down you can see vouchers and so on. So if you have a voucher though, you can select add voucher code. If you have a promotion code, you can select promo code. But we're actually learning to redeem our gift card code, right? So to do that, just tap on the option called add payment method. You have two options under add a payment method, which is credit or debit card, or you can choose to add a gift card. Since we're learning to redeem our Uber gift card, just tap on the gift card option. Make sure to enter your gift card code, and if the details are correct, just tap on the save option from the bottom. Depending upon the value of that gift card, it is going to be successfully used for your Uber account. And that's all it takes to redeem or use your gift card on Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.